Now let's start lesson 3. True or false? The first one is we cannot live without water. It's a true. We cannot live without water. The first one is true. Now second one. Bucket should not be used to store water. It's a false. We can use bucket in the wash area. Okay. So it's a false. We use bucket to store water. Now number 3. Very less rain cause floods. It's a false. Very less rain, very heavy rain cause floods. Okay, so it's a false. Now number 4. Water is nature found in 3 forms: solid, liquid and gas. It's a true. In solid form we find water in ice form. Okay, ice and snow. In liquid, water in liquid, and in air forms water we find in vapor. Okay, so water in our surrounding area we find water in 3 forms: solid, liquid and gas. So it's a true. Number 5. We cannot quench our thirst by just drinking water. It's a false. We quench our thirst. हम पानी पी के हमारी प्यास बुझा सकते हैं. Okay, so it's a false because we quench. Okay, so here are the true or false of lesson 3. Now let's start lesson 4. True or false. Lesson 4. The first one is mosquito live in our home as a uninvited guest. Yes, it's a true. मस्कीटो जो है वो हमारे घर में एज अ अनइनवाइटेड गेस्ट आ जाते हैं. इट्स अ ट्रू. हम उसको इनवाइट नहीं करते, वो ऐसे ही आ जाते हैं और घूमते ही रहते हैं हमारे. कभी कभी हम उनको देखते भी नहीं है. ठीक है, सो इट्स आर अनइनवाइटेड गेस्ट. Number 2. Chotu and Monu sat in the pipe to have tea. No, it's a false. पाइप पे बैठ के छोटू और मोनू टी नहीं पीते थे. वो लोग पाइप के बाजू में ऐसा उन्होंने स्टूल जैसा रखा था, वहाँ पे बैठ के टी पीते थे. So it's a false. Not on the pipe. Okay. Chotu and Monu not sit on the pipe and have tea. They sit nearer to the pipe. Now number 3. When Chotu first came to Mumbai, he did not have a house. Yes, it's a true. छोटू जब मुंबई फर्स्ट टाइम आया था तो उसके पास हाउस नहीं था. So it's a true. Now number 4. छोटू's house is divided into 2 parts. It's a false. छोटू का हाउस बहुत सारे पार्ट में डिवाइड हुआ था. So it's a false. To store water, then वाटर स्टोर करने के लिए, देन फॉर इनवाइटिंग गेस्ट, देन टू ड्राई देयर क्लोथ. ओके, so many parts. Now number 5. The decoration shown in Lata's house on her window. No, it's a false. लता के घर के एंट्रेंस में डेकोरेशन देखने को मिला था. टेक्स्ट बुक में जो पिक्चर था. ओके, नॉट इन विंडो. So here are the revision of true or false.